Today I am going to show you the fastest way to scrape legal documents references from boe.es using Minexa.ai. No technical skills needed. Here I am navigating to the page that already shows the results on boe.es. At this point, click the Minexa extension icon, one click, and it opens. Once the panel opens, hit I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can analyze the page and detect the legal documents references list. Done already. Content block detected, pagination locked in. At this point, select List Only or Enable Detail Pages so Minexa.ai scrapes each results detail page. Press Continue to move on, or choose Advanced if a field needs filling or a button clicking before results show. The highlighted section is your data. Hit Create Scraper and Minexa.ai finds every field and remembers them. Minexa.ai detected every field on the page, including titles, dates, references, and document links. Select what matters and move on. Developers. Click API Request for faster, cheaper access by targeting the DOM directly, instead of using LLM extraction. Hit the violet button to confirm the setup and lock everything in. The navigation button is highlighted, adjust if needed, or continue as is. Final screen, set a frequency here. If you want Minexa.ai to rerun this automatically, then complete setup. Click Run and Minexa.ai starts the job straight away. Every value here is exactly what was on the page at the moment it was scraped. Nothing was interpreted, adjusted, merged, or reformatted. Just the raw data from the right place. You can see document titles, publication dates, reference numbers, and links all clearly extracted. Download your results. Every item from the page is its own row in the file. Any website, any data, no code. For developers, that also means no beautiful soup, no Selenium, no infrastructure to build or maintain.